So in this question, you need to find first, there's also a tip which is mentioned here from Heycademy. These questions could be solved like this. Find the minimum, find the maximum, then you are left with the third number. Subtract from both the numbers one by one, and then you get the answer which one was the farthest from the median. It requires practice and you're good. So you find the minimum, you find the maximum, then after that subtract both of these numbers from the third one, and after that basically you will find. And to help you practice that, we have something for you. So Heycademy, so most of the questions which you have seen here, actually all the questions what you have seen in this video are from Heycademy, and Heycademy has been helping thousands of students globally to pass different kind of job aptitude exams. That's why I suggest, or I highly recommend you to try Heycademy. It has a real Thomas GIA style mock test, which will give you plenty of practice tests where you can go and assess your weaknesses, your strong points, and keep practicing it. It has 1,000+ questions for Thomas GIA. You also get your instant results, detailed feedback, timed practice to build speed. You have clear explanations for every question. It's mobile friendly and easy to use because you need to practice a lot. So in that case, you also need to access it on the mobile friendly device, which is totally possible with Heycademy.